Hi everyone. There's a website called ZenMax offering free GLM 5.2 API keys, but only for a limited time. You'll need to sign in first for that. Here, API keys for Step 3.7, Flash, and GLM 5.2 are available free. It's available for a short time only. Along with that, Chimic 2.7 API keys are also free to access for a limited time. I also tested it manually, right inside the playground, as you can see here. But later, when I asked it to respond in English, it gave me this answer in English. Now we'll generate an API key on this website and use it inside our code editor. First, check these limits. The rate limit is 10 to 15 RPM, meaning requests per minute, and those limits continue resetting every 5 hours. First, we'll open this website. Then click the API request option here. Now we'll scroll down from here. Here's the Generate API Key option. We'll click it. Here, just click Next. Then Next again. After that, simply click the Create API Key button. Here, we'll assign a name to the API key. You can also add tags. Then click the OK button. So this is our API key. Copy it, and so you can also use it with any other AI code editor. I'll show you right here inside the client. Set the API provider to OpenAI compatible only. If you're using something else, search here for OpenAI compatible options. After that, we'll first paste our API key right here. Here is the API key, okay? And then we need the base URL. So we'll come back to the base URL. You'll also see the base URL right down here. So here's our base URL in the OpenAI SDK. When the base URL is shared, you can check it this way, or simply ask ChatGPT for help too. Right here, we'll paste in our base URL. Now we'll need to paste the model ID here as well. If we need the model ID is simply the model name. And this option lets you copy it. We'll copy the model ID from here. Okay, then we'll paste it right here. We'll click Done, then test it by sending a hi message. I think the response should have appeared, but I'm not sure. An error has shown up. Can't open workspace folder. Make sure VS Code is allowed. Oh, I think we actually forgot to select our folder. So cancel this one. First, we'll select this folder. Yes, I'll go ahead and select this folder. Let's message now and see what happens. Hi. It's showing an error again. Credit card management is puzzle. Oh man. This is supposed to be included in the free tier, but it says we don't have any credits left. Maybe this is like OpenRouter, where the model name has to include free in front or something, but it simply is not here at all. 1 minute. Check out GLM 5.2 free, because OpenRouter works the same way as well. Whenever we use free models, you can see the word free written in the ID. Then click the Done button. Please try it again. So we're getting a response. Wow, that's great. So our GLM 5.2 has returned a response, and we can now use its API keys right here, completely free of charge. Now we'll test it and see. We'll try our old method by making a game with this. Can you build an attractive snake game with Python, CSS, and JavaScript? Honestly, I think GLM 5.2 is getting a little too much hype. I can't generate any response on the official website right now because it keeps showing that the service is busy. Good thing this website provides the API keys we need. They built a pretty good website and also explained in detail how they created the website. Traditional snake game plus. As your score rises, the levels keep increasing. In the level-based system, it exceeds 50 points. Levels बढ़ती है. We'll test the game right away. Here it is. The game looks pretty good. Notice the button UI on this. This is looking a bit more professional. The color grading and everything else look good. Let's start the game and check now. The game feels really good and smooth too, and the animations are honestly impressive. The demand is honestly so high that I tried testing it on the official website, but I wasn't getting any response at all. Overall, the smoothness feels really good, and the game UI and animations are all well done. Try testing it yourself, because this game seems to use very little coding, which is exactly why I run these tests on it. Since my PC is pretty slow, I need to test something like this.